9 Proven Ways to Build Muscles Fast. Number 1. Increase your training volume. Training volume is your number of reps multiplied by your number of sets, is a primary determiner of hypertrophy, aka how to grow muscle. And to increase volume, you may actually need to go lower in weight than you might guess. To get the volume your muscles need, we recommend performing each of your lifts for 3 to 6 sets of 10 to 20 reps. More training volume equals more muscle. So, if your primary focus is on building muscle, then your training should be structured to have you gradually performing more volume next week, next month, and next year. Number 2. Avoid overtraining. If you spend too much time in the gym, you will actually take yourself farther away from your goals rather than closer to them. Remember, your muscles do not grow in the gym, they grow out of the gym, while you are resting and eating. Recovery is absolutely vital to the muscle growth process. If you don't provide your body with the proper recovery time in between workouts, your muscles will never have a chance to grow. Here are some 6 main symptoms of overtraining. Persistent muscle soreness. Increased incidence of injuries. Irritability. Loss of motivation. Insomnia. Weight loss. How to avoid overtraining. The key is managing your splits. You won't get far if you work your whole body every day 4 times a week. However, if you devote 1 day to arms and abs, 1 to back and chest, 1 to legs, and 1 to shoulders and traps, then you'll be fine. Some other guidelines include balanced diet, sufficient calorie intake, take breaks, and reduce the loads. Number 3. Decrease between set rest intervals. When lifting for hypertrophy, rest periods of 30 to 90 seconds encourage a quick release in muscle-building hormones, including testosterone and human growth hormone, while also making sure that you really, truly fatigue your muscles, according to Fitzgerald. If you're training for strength and power, 2 to 5 minutes between sets is usually ideal. This is because much of the energy your body consumes during traditional strength training comes from the adenosine triphosphate phosphocreatine system. Your body has a very small phosphagen reserve, which lasts about 15 seconds. It takes your body about 3 minutes to fully replenish phosphagen stores. Number 4. To grow muscle, eat more protein. Protein is the building block of your muscles. Therefore, eating adequate amounts of protein helps you maintain your muscle mass and promotes muscle growth when you do strength training. The dry dietary reference intake is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or 0.36 grams per pound. This amounts to 56 grams per day for the average sedentary man. 46 grams per day for the average sedentary woman. Number 5. Focus on calorie surpluses, not deficits. Aim to eat roughly 250 to 500 extra calories per day. To make sure that any weight gained is from muscle, Fitzgerald recommends that the bulk of those calories come from protein. In a 2014 Pennington Biomedical Research Center study, people who ate a high-calorie diet rich in protein stored about 45% of those calories as muscle, while those following a low-protein diet with the same number of calories stored 95% of those calories as fat. Number 6. Snack on casein before bed. Long popular among bodybuilders, casein protein absorbs slowly into the bloodstream, meaning it keeps your muscles fed with amino acids for longer compared to other types of protein such as whey and plant proteins. In one Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise study, consuming casein protein immediately before bed boosted young men's levels of circulating amino acids for 7.5 hours. They built muscle all night long while they slept. To get some pre-bed casein, try cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and milk. For smoothie lovers, casein-based protein powder works like a charm. Number 7. Get more sleep. Muscle recovery requires more than the right nutrition. It takes time, roughly 8 hours per night, dedicated to recovery, Fitzgerald says. After all, when you sleep, your body releases human growth hormone, which helps grow muscle and keeps levels of the stress hormone cortisol in check. The National Sleep Foundation recommends that adults ages 18 to 64 sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. No excuses. Number 8. Try supplementing with creatine. Creatine is a substance that is found naturally in muscle cells. It helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. In high-intensity exercise, its primary role is to increase the phosphocreatine stores in your muscles. The additional stores can then be used to produce more ATP, which is the key energy source for heavy lifting and high-intensity exercise. Number 9. And HMB. A natural compound produced in the human body, beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate, prevents muscle protein breakdown, encourages muscle growth, and speeds exercise recovery. The vast amount of research on HMB shows that it may help with lean mass changes and improving recovery, but overall adding HMB to your regimen would only warrant benefit if you are significantly increasing volume and/or frequency of workouts, i.e. an overreaching period in training. Otherwise, you really won't see much benefit at all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. To learn more about weight loss, diet plans and exercises, go to our website at slimmernter.com.